Hello my friends, once again welcome to my channel. TYBCOM subject IP PHBW OB Organizational Behavior Set 1 Objective questions and answers. Effective managers spend maximum time on dash dash. Answer: communication. According to dash, managers have to perform 5 management functions. Answer: Henry Fayol. Dash skill is the ability to analyze and diagnose complex situation. Answer: conceptual. Dash skill refers to the ability to apply specialized knowledge or expertise. Answer: technical. Dash variable is the presumed cause of some change in the dependent variable. Answer: independent. The dash component is the belief or opinion aspect of the attitude. Answer: cognitive. The dash component is the emotional aspect of the attitude. Answer: affective. Employee dash is the rate at which people leave an organization. Answer: turnover. Employee dash is a key factor that influences the relationship between job satisfaction and turnover. Answer: performance. A positive feeling about one's job resulting from an evaluation of its characteristics is called as. Answer: job satisfaction. Who proposed the hierarchy of needs theory? Answer: Abraham Maslow. Who proposed the theory X and theory Y? Answer: David Magro. The theory was proposed by Edwin Locke. Answer: goal setting. The dash theory was proposed by Adams. Answer: equity. The dash theory was proposed by Albert Bandura. Answer: self-efficiency. A dash is a designated work group defined by an organization structure by Robbins and Judge. Answer: formal group. Dash, a group composed of individuals who report directly to given manager by Robbins and Judge. Answer: command group. Dash is the degree to which members are attracted to each other and are motivated to stay in the group by Robbins and Judge. Cohesiveness. Dash is credited for the development of the brainstorming technique. Answer: Alex Osborne. Dash is the tendency to exert less efforts when working collectively than when working individually. Answer: loafing. Which is an emotional symptom of stress? Answer: high blood pressure. A rapid change in dash is often the cause of stress. Answer: lifestyle. The dash is a very popular model of self-awareness. Answer: Johari's window. The dash is that side that people keep hidden from the outside world. Answer: dark side. Which type of needs develop cause of too much use of defense mechanism? Answer: neurotic needs.